Oh, Dana Garrett. No. Listen, a couple things. First of all, I'm going to explain to you about composition. You say it has nothing to do with the properties of the parts. Listen, the fallacy of composition says is when you think that the whole has the attributes of the parts. But the principle of composition says that the attribute of the whole comes from the attributes of the parts in some sort of a summation process. Right, like for example, I love magnets. I'm going to use magnets as my example. Hi, Gary. Where in the atomic world, everything is magnetic. But at the macroscopic world, we have the emergence of non-magnetic holes. Why? Because there's atoms that cling together that have random orientations. You can compose the non-magnetic field, the nil magnetic field of the whole by summing the parts. You can, in fact, always compose things. Now, will and biology are obviously emergent properties, but the supposition that is implied there is that we will look in the parts for the parts of this emergent property. So, for example, if some emergent property needs carbon and heat and hydrogen, then we will look for the properties of those things that explain it. Now, it might seem different in kind, but remember, kind is arbitrary, so that hardly matters. And the fact of the matter is, one of us will be right about the will you said, and it won't be you with your position because you're holding some sort of purist agnostic position as though that's superior. I don't think when you make a statement that you are outside of the argument that you have achieved much, Dana. You know what I'm saying? Now, two, I do not say that I have a definitive answer. Again, I'm at least one represented in this video. I do not say I have a definitive answer. It's a matter of what are we going to believe in the meantime. And my position is that you, in fact, believe in will, Dana. That you live as though you make decisions and you take some sort of care in those decisions and perhaps even pride in the success of them, or perhaps not. But I do believe that you live as if you have a will and you are not as agnostic as you wish you could be and claim to be. But on the other hand, I do like you, and I think Minham went way overboard. But that's my position on that video.